Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to sell products on Buy Me a Coffee. So if you want to sell digital downloads, memberships, or exclusive content directly to your audience, this guide will walk you through the full setup process step by step. First, sign in to your Buy Me a Coffee account or create one if you're new. Once your dashboard opens, customize your creator profile with a photo, bio, and banner so your page looks professional and trustworthy. Next, go to the Products or Extras section from your dashboard menu. Yeah, this is where you can upload digital items like ebooks, presets, templates, artwork, or private files for supporters to purchase. Now click the Add Product button and upload your file or content. Give your product a clear title, short description, and thumbnail image so people understand exactly what they're buying. After uploading the product, choose your selling price. You can offer fixed pricing or sometimes even allow supporters to pay extra if they want to support your work more. So pick a price that matches the value of your content. Before you can receive payments, make sure your payout method is connected properly. I mean, without completing Stripe or payment setup, you may not be able to sell products or withdraw earnings. Finally, publish your product and share the link online. Yeah, you can promote it through YouTube descriptions, social media bios, Discord servers, newsletters, or your personal website to reach more buyers. And that's basically it. You now know how to sell products on Buy Me a Coffee in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you get your creator store ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.